I'm Dr. Rosa Ramani from SVRR, Associate Professor. Biomedical research. No, it is very useful, but it is previous days also you are following that by giving the thesis to the students, all those things. But how to do the research? What is the protocol? What are the procedures? How to do? What is the perfect? What percentage of perfectness is needed for the doing research? The MSc, all other students, no PG students, they are doing research. They are perfect in doing research. But doctors, we are perfect in treating patients. We are more bothered about disease. We are more concentrating on the curing. But for curing, what you need, we need the what the thing useful. What is the thing which is more cure rate? Is it this drug, that drug, or this instrument, or that instrument, or that catgut, like that suture material? What is the quality? Which is more important for the curing the patient? For that, you do some experiment with this, with other thing, and to compare the two things. All these we are not bothered previous days. The some only ICM or all research field workers, biotechnology people are doing. We are believing them.
Okay.
But now we are they are encouraging doctors to do that, because we are the people more cure, they take the decision to what to do, what not to do, what the thing you supposed to use to give the better results. For that they are encouraging doctors to do the research, and that is one point. And in the community level also, which disease is previous days, so many diseases, simple things, cholera, TB, all those things are more patients are died, people are public are died because of research and identification of anti-tuberculous drugs. The cure rate is more. So in community, the common diseases are gone. The new diseases are coming. All these are more aware of doctors only. What is the symptoms? What are the more difficulty to treat? How the community is affected? Like this. In community level also, they are encouraging the research by the doctors, by asking symptoms, by signs, like that. And so we are. They are making the government, the central or state. Now APMR are also started the planning. That is a good idea of the government, even central or state. That is useful to the research orientation, to give the better and good quality oriented services to the public. That is doctors are spending more time to treating now. They want to involve the doctors to identify the which is good, which is bad for the treating the patient.